Hi, what up, y'all? Planet of Fake Sports here, and we're comparing Sue Bird, WNBA player, to LeBron James. And as you can see from the illustration, Sue Bird has 17 seasons in the WNBA. She got 4 WNBA championships. LeBron, 17 seasons in the NBA. He has 4 NBA championships. Her 2020 salary is $215,000. That's about what a doctor makes. His salary is $37.44 million. Bonus for winning the 2020 finals is $11,356. Bonus for winning the 2020 finals, $370,000, more than her whole salary just for winning it. We got 2 comments here. The WNBA doesn't even make enough money to operate. They make enough to operate, just not enough to pay what a Knicks bench warmer makes. Okay. So there we have it, Sue Bird and LeBron James. Let's see if I can find some highlights of her. Alright, so I found a video of Sue Bird, and she's basically here praising the NBA Finals and, praising LeBron James. But I'm super excited to watch it between the Lakers and the Heat. Just so many good players, so many interesting storylines. How they got there, I don't think anyone is surprised that the Lakers are here. But the fact that LeBron is playing in his 10th Finals, look at her face. You've got the Heat and you've got my guy. I'm a huge Jimmy Butler fan, both on and off the court. Okay, excuse me. Shout out to the WNBA players. You know what I mean? Like, me personally, the way that playing sports shapes a woman's body, if it's good for them, it's good for me. That's all I'm going to say. Let's see what LeBron was doing. Nah, we don't even got to see what LeBron was doing. HBO. Bragging about winning a championship, of course. They got Barack Obama there, so I guess they did some type of social distancing conversation. LeBron been sucking Obama and Michelle Obama since they was in office. Like, I'm sick of it, but at the end of the day, I don't know, shop HBO, they're saying. I don't even care. HBO's paid enough. What LeBron's doing to help the WNBA players out? Nothing. Nobody even watches them, huh? They should start having unisex teams. Like, 3 men and 2 women? That shit'd be crazy. Right? Think about that. Unisex basketball, 3 women, 2 men, fouls is on. Straight up. You can foul all that. What y'all think about that? Let me know. Planet of Feezy's shop.